The title of this video is actually not clickbait. What I'm actually going to show here today is how you can actually get Alex Hormozi's 12 playbooks in this moment in PDF format. And I'll prove to you right now this is actually a real thing and not a scam. What I also didn't tell you is that you'll also be getting the ACQ.AI as well for absolutely free, including the files. Now let's get straight to the skepticism. Here's me opening the files and give you some sneak peeks so you can see that it's real. This is the branding, the fast cash, the go-to ads, the hooks, the lead nurture, the lifetime value, the marketing machine, price raise, pricing, retention, the closing, and the proof checklist. Here is the ACQ.AI trained on all the information that Hormozi has ever put out, which is included with the files. And I have asked an example question. How can I start making 10K per month as fast as possible doing email marketing for e-commerce brands? I'm just going to lightly skim through this, but just like the ACQ.AI, it recites sources for the information, gives you questions so you can go into more depth, and talks about the Grand Slam offer and some call to actions. If you want, you can pause the video. Now, if you're still skeptical, thinking that this is still a scam or I'm gonna steal information, if you go to my last video, I have dozens of people that purchased and are completely satisfied with the files, vouching in the comments below the video. I'm also super available and happy to reply to any questions or concerns in the comments below. Now, there's absolutely no one else on the internet leaking these files to you in any way, shape, or form. So if you want to have an opportunity to change your life and grow your business in ways that you couldn't even fathom without having to spend the original $6,000 that Alex Hormozi was asking for, head to the description or the pinned comment now. Not only that you're getting the playbooks, I have a ton of additional add-ons, including the 3 regular books, which is the $100 million offers, $100 million leads, and $100 million money models. The Launch Blackbook that goes into depth of all the launch assets and what Hormozi did to break a world record with his launch, and some other exclusive books by Hormozi. I also have another separate page for the advertising handbook and closing handbook in another file, and here is some sneak peeks of those as well. If you're not sure what these are or remember what these are where the books given to you if you made a $450 purchase for 15 books. Both of these files will also be included in the description in the pinned comment. Now, let me make a disclaimer. I have camouflaged the pages behind weird, conspicuous info products so the pages don't get taken down. Hormozi has taken down these pages several times before, and this is just the only way to bypass those bans. Anyways, hope this completely transforms your life and puts you in a direction where you finally see some success in scaling your business.